Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best car washing gun available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Yofidra 3500W car washer gun. One of the standout features of this pressure washer is its brushless motor. I've used a few pressure washers in the past, and I can honestly say that the brushless motor in this one makes a noticeable difference. For those unfamiliar, brushless motors don't generate sparks while operating, which not only makes them safer but also significantly reduces wear and tear. Another feature that I appreciated was the washer's lightweight design. Even after a long cleaning session, my arms didn't feel tired thanks to the well-thought-out ergonomic handle. The comfort grip really made a difference, especially when I had to maneuver the washer to reach tricky spots. The freedom that comes with the cordless design is what truly sets this pressure washer apart. Powered by a 15,000 mAh lithium-ion battery, it allowed me to clean without worrying about dragging cords around or finding a nearby power outlet. I found this especially convenient when working in the garden or when I needed to clean areas far from the house, like the driveway. At number 2 is the Hohigh 200W car washer spray water gun. One of the first things that caught my attention was the high-capacity lithium battery. With a 20,000 mAh battery, this water gun boasts up to 60 minutes of continuous use on a single charge. In my experience, that claim held up pretty well. I was able to wash my entire car, including some additional cleaning around the house, without having to recharge. This long battery life is especially useful for outdoor tasks where plugging in isn't an option. The next feature that really stood out to me was the powerful pump design. Equipped with an 18D plunger pump and an 18mm plunger diameter, this water gun delivers an impressive pressurization effect. The high pressure range reaches up to 10 meters, which I found more than sufficient for most of my cleaning tasks. Whether it was hosing down my car's wheels or reaching up to clean the second-story windows, the pressure was consistently strong. One of the most innovative features of this high-pressure washer is its dual-purpose self-priming design. I was curious to see how well it would work with different water sources, so I tested it with a bucket of water and even a soda bottle. At number 3 on our list is the EAFC wireless car wash gun. One of the first things I noticed about the EAFC car wash gun was its compact and lightweight design. It's incredibly portable, which immediately made it appealing for someone like me who doesn't want to lug around a bulky machine. The handheld nature of the device, coupled with its ergonomic finger grip handle, made it comfortable to hold and maneuver, even during longer cleaning sessions. The real test of any car wash gun is its ability to deliver on performance, and the EAFC did not disappoint. With a pressure output of 60 bars, I found it more than capable of tackling the dirt and grime on my car. The water spray type, which is a focused water column, allowed me to target specific areas with precision. This was particularly useful when cleaning the wheels and undercarriage, where stubborn dirt tends to accumulate. The finger grip handle added to the overall usability. It's clear that the design team put thought into making this device comfortable to use. Moving up at number 4 is the high-pressure portable car washer gun. The first thing that caught my attention was the washer gun's portability. Without the need for power outlets, I could move around freely, whether cleaning my car in the driveway or washing down outdoor furniture in the backyard. The cordless design, powered by a rechargeable battery, is a game-changer for those of us who don't want to be tethered to an extension cord. It's lightweight enough to carry around easily, yet it feels solid and well-built. Portability extends beyond just being cordless. The compact and lightweight design of the washer gun means it's not just easy to use, but also easy to store. I can tuck it away in my garage or even in the trunk of my car without it taking up much space. Battery life was another pleasant surprise. On a full charge, I could get through cleaning my entire car, including the wheels and undercarriage, with power to spare. Charging the unit is straightforward, and it doesn't take too long to get back to a full charge. That said, if you're planning to do extensive cleaning, you might want to keep an eye on the battery level to ensure it doesn't run out mid-task. At number 5 is the Audew 35-bar 3000W wireless car washer gun. The first thing I noticed about this high-pressure sprayer was its size. At just 14 centimeters tall, 26 centimeters wide, and 30.5 centimeters long, it's surprisingly compact. Weighing in at only 2.3 kilograms, it's incredibly easy to carry around, even for extended periods. I found it to be particularly handy when moving around the car, reaching all those tricky spots without feeling weighed down. Despite its lightweight design, the sprayer feels solid and well constructed. The materials used are of high quality, and the CE certification gives me peace of mind that it meets strict safety standards. The induction motor is one of the standout features for me. With 3000 W of power, it delivers a consistent and robust performance every time I use it. The motor runs smoothly and quietly, which is a bonus, especially when using it for longer cleaning sessions. The only limitation I've encountered is the battery life. While the Makita 18 volts battery provides a decent amount of runtime, it can drain quickly during intense cleaning sessions. However, I found that keeping a spare battery on hand solves this issue. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.